All righty. I want to talk about this problem where it says technology to find points with a cube root on DeltaMath. All right, it's a little bit tricky for some people. So here is the DeltaMath graphing calculator. I want to make sure you know how to type it in. So first of all, a cube root, there's a square root button, but there's no cube root button. So what we do here is to do a cube root, what you first need to do is put parentheses x plus 5 parentheses. So that right there is what goes inside the cube root. And then you have to realize a cube root is really a 1/3 power. So how do you do a power? You do shift 6, this little caret up, and then I do 1/3. So I got to put parentheses again and do 1 divided by 3. That right there is x plus 5 to the 1/3 power, which is a cube root of x plus 5. Then we need that plus 1 right there. So I now need to put a plus 1. And when I hit plot, this right here would be the graph of this. All right, then what happens here is they want you to get here 4 points. So there's 4 points here. So how do you find the 4 points? Well, what you do next is after you can type that and you plot it, then you hit table here and you can see values. So 3, 3 is a dot. So I'm gonna come over here and put a dot at 3, 3. All right, then I'm gonna scroll up and down on this thing. Okay, there's some more dots right there, good. -6, 0. So I'm gonna go over here, -6, 0. I got -5, 1. So I'm gonna go -5, 1. And I got -4, 2. So -4, 2. That looks like 4 values. So I'm done plotting. And then I want to sketch this. So what I should know, this is what the graph looks like. And again, by the way, when you hover over -6, 0, you see it shows on the graph. I forgot to tell you that. So we know what the graph looks like this. So we got to sketch this through. Now you want to start all the way on the edge. So you notice it's going to be kind of narrow. So you want to start way over here and you want to go all the way across. All right. And you want to kind of creep up right there. Make sure you go through the dots. A mouse really helps with this. And you go through and it looks something like that. That looks about like that. If I submit, that should hopefully work. And bam, we were correct. That is the process for doing this.